Welcome back to my channel, Cooking at Home with Spaz. I'm Cut Master Spaz. Now, if you love food, you love to cook, but maybe you're not a good cook or you don't know how to cook, this is the channel for you. Heck, if you know how to cook, you can take these recipes and modify it. I make it simple and easy that even an 8-year-old can do it, because that's when I started cooking. Okay, so this week I'm not cooking with bacon. Surprise!
Thank you, Jesus!
Yeah, I'm going to cook with broccoli. I know you guys are tripping like, what? What? You went from bacon to broccoli, healthy to unhealthy. Well, this is called broccoli surprise, and the surprise is how unhealthy I can make it. All right, so here's the ingredients. Of course, you need 2 packages of frozen broccoli. You're gonna need 2 cans of cream of mushroom, and then you're gonna need some mayonnaise. Yes, that's a surprise how we make it unhealthy. Eggs to hold it together, salt and pepper for taste, and then to make our topping or crust, we're gonna need crushed Ritz crackers, cheese, and melted butter. Now that we got the ingredients, let's assemble like the Avengers.
A few moments later.
All right, this is very simple. Basically, it's assemble, bake, and then eat, all right? So what you're gonna do first to prepare your broccoli is you're gonna get 2 16 ounces packages or 4 cups of frozen broccoli, put it in a pot of room temperature water, and then set to boil on high. Once it gets to a boil, a minute into the boil, you stop it. You don't want to overdo it because then you're going to be eating mush or like baby food, all right? So put that to the side, let it cool, because then you don't want it to fry your eggs, because eggs goes in this recipe. So let's assemble the good part, the part that makes it a surprise. Okay, so we're going to get 2 cans of cream of mushroom, really simple. And then you want to get basically a cup and a half. Then you want to get 1 cup and a fourth. Is that how you say it? Then you want to get 1 1/4 cup of mayonnaise. Now you could measure it out, or I'm going to show you a life hack. Get the can that the cream of mushroom came in and just fill that up. Just boom, fill it up with mayo. And that will be your measurement. So you don't have to get a cup and a fourth or 1/4 cup. 1 cup and a fourth. Go like that. And yeah, it's okay if you get messy. Like I said, this is your kitchen. You do what you like. You're not at a 5-star restaurant where people can get mad at you that your hands all over. And I did wash my. You always want to use best foods. You know, some things you can, like, you know, I use bargain brand cream of mushroom, but you always want to use best foods mayonnaise for salads, anything like that. All right, so here's your can of mayo. Bam, just like that. Put it in there. Just like that. Next, I'm gonna throw in some eggs. Okay. I had to wash my hands. It's getting messy, and Jojo Flo was saying, "You're so sloppy." What? Put some salt and pepper to taste, and I'm just gonna guesstimate this one. It's about a tablespoon of each, or maybe half a tablespoon, or not tablespoon. Sorry, teaspoon, tablespoon. That's high blood pressure right there. Okay. Now, once you got that, you can mix it up. Now, I use a wooden spoon because it's easy to work with. Now, if you ever wondered why some wooden spoons have holes in it, this is actually a risotto type of spoon. This is used to make risotto. And the reason is because it lets you just flow the cream through the hole. So this is actually good. And it actually said it was easier to mix with because the liquid and everything, the ingredients go through the hole. So that's what that is, if you wonder. That's what that hole is. All right, so once you mix it up, then you're gonna fold in your broccoli, because you're mixing right now. You're mixing now, and then once you do that, then we're gonna fold in the broccoli. Just fold it in. And the reason why you're folding and not mixing it, because you don't want it to be a whole bunch of mush. That just is gonna be baby food. It's gonna be like breakfast. Oatmeal, broccoli oatmeal. All we're gonna do is get a 9 by 11 inch baking pan and put it in nice and smooth, like so. Look at that. La, la, la. Okay, all we're gonna do is put this on the side, and now we're gonna make the topping, or what I say, the crust, all right? But look, it's messy, so I gotta clean it again. Shoujo Flo's gonna get mad if I don't clean it. You're gonna get a Ziploc, and you wanna get basically a cup and a half of crackers. But if you're like me and you're not really not into measuring, all you're basically gonna do is 1.5 rolls of the Ritz crackers in the big box. So I have scissors. I was gonna go old school and bite them, but then that would just look kind of ghetto. All right, so we'll just go 1.5-ish, just like that, okay? Put it in a Ziploc, and this is where you get buck wild. This is where I call Ritz rage. You know, people get road rage. This is how you let go of your anger. You know you're gonna make broccoli surprise, because you wanna get it to like sand. So you just go like that. Open up, FBI. Just like that, huh? I can't have that. That's illegal.
I can't have these. Those are illegal.
Hey, you cut me off. Bacon is bad. Broccoli is good. Hi, yeah. Whew, look at that. See? Took out all my road rage on the Ritz. And this is gonna be consistency of sand. That's what you wanna get it to, okay? So, let's do the crust now. Right, 4 cups of cheese. And this is what this looks like. And then, you get your Ritz. All right, so now you got your cheese and your Ritz, and this is the way you top it off. It's gonna have a good top crust. Now, all you're gonna do is put it in the oven at 350 degrees, 300 degrees, 350, it will take 3 days to do this. 350 degrees for 30 minutes, or 3 degrees at 3 days. Anyway, so you're gonna put this in with no tin foil. That's why it's at kind of at a low heat at 350, 30 minutes or into its golden brown. Because right now it kind of has like a light yellow color, but it's gonna turn golden brown, and then we're ready to plate and eat. Let's get it. All right, it's been 30 minutes in the oven. I took out, let it cool for 10 minutes before I cut it and plated it. Now it's time to taste it. Woohoo, excited. One of my favorite. Perfect. Broccoli's still holding its form, so you're still tasting broccoli. Now, of course, if you want the broccoli softer, you can leave it in the pot a little longer, but I like it like this. I can't explain. You guys gotta try it yourself. That's all I can do. Now, if you do try any of my recipes, if you try any of my recipes, if you make it at home, please post it on Facebook and tag me. If you're not my friend, ask to be my friend, and I'll let you be my friend because I want you to be my friend. If you like this, please share it on Facebook. Please hit the subscribe button. Oh my goodness, man. This food is making me crazy. If you want the full complete recipe in the description, it has the recipe for you to download. Again, thank you for watching. Until next time, this is Spaz saying keep it positive. I'm out of here like glass here. Let's eat!